Remove risk in trading by break-even point. In this presentation, in next couple of minutes, you will learn what is break-even point, how to remove your risk in trading by break-even point, common traders' mistake about it, and how to use break-even point correctly. Okay, let's go to the chart. The break-even point is the point that if you move your stop loss there and price hits it, you don't lose any money. So your break-even point would be exact point with your entry point. If you move your stop loss to your entry point, when price hits it, you don't lose any money. But unfortunately, many traders use it in a wrong way. Okay? They try to move their stop loss to the break-even point as soon as price crosses a little bit. You know, it's wrong. They do that because they don't want to lose any money to the market. It's wrong. Please pay attention. Our profit comes from big trend. And when price wants to move in a big trend, it's probable to come back a lot. Okay? So you shouldn't be kicked out in a big trend just because you want to move your stop loss to break-even point too fast. Okay? For example, here, price crossed the break-even point a little. If you move your break-even point here, in the next bar, you will be stopped out. Okay? So don't do that. Please move your break-even point based on a stop loss distance definition. Please pay attention. Your stop loss should be closest position to the price that if it hits, it means your entry point, your prediction is wrong. If price comes back and hits your stop loss here at this point, does it mean your prediction or entry point is wrong? No, it doesn't mean. Okay? So, you shouldn't move your stop loss here too fast. You should just listen to the market. Let's add bars here. In here, you can move your stop loss here. Because if price hit, for example, this point, it means it wants to go in this direction. But you can't still move it to break-even point. Okay? Let's add more bars. For example, here, if I draw Fibonacci from here to here, you can see 78.6% is beyond of our entry point. Is beyond of our break-even point. So, if you move your stop loss to break-even point at this point, it's correct. Because if price comes back and cross this 78.6%, it means it wants to come back again and it wants to cross even this point. So it's good to remove your risk in this trade. Okay? So if you want to move your stop loss to break-even point, it's great, but don't do it too fast. Watch the market and listen to it and move your price to break-even point in the correct time. Okay? That's it.